Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here in Overland Park, Kansas. What we have on this job, we have two walls that are leaning inward, so we're going to be excavating down to the footing to relieve that outside pressure off the side wall and the front wall. And then we'll come in here with our 6x6s, 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, and get that wall straightened back to vertical. Wall brace it. We're also installing 5 King Piers 2s. We're going to do those from the inside. So once we get the wall straightened, raised, we'll brace it, and then obviously we'll do the epoxy injection, seal all the cracks before we cover those up with the wall braces. But yeah, this is kind of a full scope King Piers project. It's not just the piers. Where we're going to do all the wall straightening, bracing, piering, epoxy injection. That is pretty much it. Take a quick look outside. Got a couple little areas that we're going to do some additional work on. Got some damaged sections here in the garage we're going to get cleaned up and looking good before we are finished up here. We also have some damage on the front steps, this little sidewalk area. We're going to get all this cleaned out, new concrete put in there. Don't know how well you can tell from the video, but there is a lean to the little sidewalk section here, so we'll get that raised up. But this is the area we're going to be digging our trench. Right now we're just getting the bushes and everything out of the way right now. We're gonna dig around the AC unit, but yeah, right now we're just getting the bushes and everything out of the way before we can get started. But that is pretty much it for this project today, and most of next week is just going to be getting this trench excavated down to the footing. That's going to relieve that pressure off of the wall, so then we can come in, straighten the wall. If you've ever seen any of our previous videos doing the same kind of work, it's very cool to watch just how quickly we are able to do something like straighten a foundation wall back to vertical. So it is definitely a lot faster than the prep work. That is always what takes the longest on these projects. But once we have that digging excavation prep work done, it's very quick to get everything finished up. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you have not already on our YouTube and Facebook pages. We'd really appreciate that. Again, as I said, we have tons of videos from our current past projects on the YouTube, Facebook channels. So you can see all our current and past projects on there. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.